Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel again. Today a video about the multi-pad control. So another video as the tutorial for the PSR S670 Yamaha arranger keyboard and so on. Okay, so in the previous videos we were talk about the voices, the styles, the recording in USB, the MIDI, and so on and so on. And today we keep focus on the right side of the keyboard. I mean the voices, but the most important, the multi-pad selections. And actually what the pad is. You can know these hardware pads that are used by DJs in performing live, so they are pressing something and it's play some sample. And in this instrument you have actually two kinds of pads. It could be the MIDI pads or it could be the audio sample pads. And the MIDI pads actually is something like this voice or any other voice connected here and could be looped, so it's play all the time, or it could be one-time pad. So to select the bank, you are pressing this select and you get a lot of these pads prepared by the producer by the default. For example, guitar phases, you are entering the guitar phases, pressing enter, going to the main screen, you see that the selected multipad is here, so if you press it, it plays something. You're pressing stop, the pad is stopped, and it doesn't matter if this pad is looped or the pad is one shot. The MIDI pads could be played simultaneously, and the audio pads, the sample pads, could not. And in today's video, of course, you can play it by find something other. But I want to show you how to, let's go up, drum one shot. So these are pads, power toms, for example, and this is one pad. If they play, that's the blinking red, and stop with their stop. So of course you can play some style. So the basic purpose of the pads are to make more expression to your live performance. So you have style, for example, you are playing with accompaniment, or you can playing only by a piano or any other electronic instrument. Anyone to add something. It is very cool for performing lives or some events like the wedding, for example, where the orchestra are doing some I don't know, quizzes, games for the audience, for the people, for the guests on this event, so you could have some nice. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the one and only, something like this. So you could attach these pads any other instrumental loops, and there are a lot of built-in pads and loops in here. But today I will show you how to create your own bank, because you for example won't have a song or any other hip hip hooray or any other voices recorded elsewhere, downloaded from internet or something. So to create a completely new audio pad from your waves files, you need to prepare or download from internet the WAV files. WAV files is something like MP3 but not compressed. It's the bigger sizes of this, but it contains the whole performance sampled. And this instrument requires WAV files in stereo, 44.1 kilohertz of sampling rate, and the resolution is 60 bits. If you want to know exactly what does it mean, you need to check other my more advanced videos about sound processing. But this is the wave. You can convert it in computer. You can download it from SoundCloud and any other. A lot of sites is with samples that you can download. And for this video, I have prepared an USB, my own voice pads, and I will show you. There are actually four or five, because there are 4 pads in here you could attach at the same time, only for samples. So I have prepared some waves like this. So let's play it.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, so this is Don't Forget to Subscribe, and it's called Don't Forget. Give Me Thumb Up is another wave. Let's hear.
Give me thumb up. Give me thumb.
Okay. Of course, I have recorded using my Zoom H4 register, but you can also record it on this Yamaha by aux in. Please refer to video about USB recording, and you will find out how to record this thing. I don't want to make one video about this because it's a lot of material, so I assume you have downloaded some voices from the internet and you get these wave files. Of course, you need to use it on a USB stick, which is right here. I hope it is also explained in the video about USB recording. So you get these voices, this wave, and you start making your own multipad. Now the current selection of multipad is here, power toms. If you want to make new audio multipad, not using the MIDI, because the MIDI could be also done by the multipad creation, it's a topic for another video, but you're pressing select and you could select from the presets, or you can use the audio link. You are pressing it now, and the message said that audio data cannot be linked to a MIDI multipad. So it is asking you, would you like to create a new audio link multipad bank, which means this sampled wave multipad? And of course the answer is okay. And now it starts some completely empty bank of pads. As you can see now, there is no red or green lights. It means there is nothing on this bank, and we will be selecting. So you're using arrows to select from your USB drive, and for the first I will select hello, go back. For the second pad I will select if you like. Okay, for the third I will select give me, and for the fourth I will select maybe don't forget. Okay, and it's done. As you can see now, when I am selecting
Hello, here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, so we got prepared a bank, and now it's a good time to save this bank into memory, because you don't want to select it anytime, so you want to save it in memory. So press the save, and now select the place where you want to save this pad. So let's create on this folder B, press C, and call this bank let's B plus voice. Of course, voice is only because I want to demonstrate you something, but you could record anything, the phrases, the samples, whatever you want. It's a pure wave file, which means something like MP3, part of the song, or not even the whole song. So voix1, voila. Okay, so it's recorded. We go back to the main screen, and as you can see now, the multipad is BB-VOA1. The difference between this and the MIDI pads is that they cannot record, be played simultaneously. So if I start playing this one first,
hello, if you like this channel,
it automatically stops the previous and start the next one. Because it's limited power of the DSP processor, it's hard to mix audio files from USB in the real time. For channels, you need much more power. Much more expensive instruments probably could do that, but this one has this limitation. The MIDI could be recorded simultaneously for 4 pads, but for audio link you cannot. So let's make some demonstration how you could use it in your performance to make some fun. So as I explained how to create, and now let's try something. I am using the electro step with 21 BPM. Let's try what we have here.
Hello, here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up, give me thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello, here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up, give me thumb up, give me thumb up, give me thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello, here is BB Walker. Hello, if you like this channel, give me thumb up, give me thumb up, give me thumb up, give me thumb up, give me thumb up. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Hello. If you like this channel, give me thumb. Hello. Here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Give me thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello, here is BB. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Hello, here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Hello. Here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up. Hello. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, so it was the live demonstration. We got 30 minutes. And the tips, the tricks at the end of the presentation and the video, how to change the volumes of the pads. Of course, this pads has been recorded by me, so I have all this volume exactly set in the proper level. But sometimes you can have a situation where the pads are too loud or the style is too loud. So if you press the mixer, you can set the style volume and the pads volume. As you can see now, it's a little bit down because they are recorded very loud using my mics. So you are setting.
Hello, here is BB Walk. Hello. If you like this channel,
and if you experience the situation where, let's see, all three are okay with the background of the style, but one is too loud or one of them is too quiet, you can also enter by selecting and entering the audio link. You get this audio level. So
hello, if you like this channel.
The second is a little bit too high, so if you want to go down, you could for probably the -6 dB.
Hello, if you like this give me thumb. Don't forget to subscribe.
And now I think it's okay. I mean, the second was a little bit too high because I normalized the volume to 0, but -6 dB can give you the whole in proper volume. So you can play, of course, with sounds from internet. You can download some nice styles, recording voices of the animals, some phrases, whatever you want, and you can use it.
Hello, here is BB Walker. If you like this channel, give me thumb up.
So you can mix it with voices, with accompaniment, with styles, and of course, whatever you need. So thanks again for watching, and
Don't forget to subscribe.
see you later. It was BB Walker. Please check my other videos about the Yamaha PSR S670 and have a nice weekend. See you later.